I have 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I've cut into small pieces. I've rinsed and drained it. Rinse it with lemon, lime or vinegar and water and drain. I'll season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons salt. This is Himalayan salt. Use less if you're using table salt. 4 tablespoons of green seasoning, half of a small onion, 1 baby carrot, half of a red bell pepper, and 2 small scallions chopped. I've never really used carrots and bell peppers in my curry stew, but just like they are different routes to the same destination, today we're trying something new. It will still be delicious. Half teaspoon black pepper. Give it a good mix and then marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes. Overnight is best, but if you don't have time, you can cook it right away. And we forgot the main ingredient, curry powder. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons and mix again. High heat, bring the pot to temperature. Brown sugar in. I'm cooking this for my friends at the farm, so I want it to have a mild flavor and nothing too over the top and overpowering. And I'm only going to try to use ingredients that are simple, easy to find, so it will be easy for you as well. We're just going to wait for the sugar to bubble, froth, expand, and darken, which is what is happening right here, right now. Wait a minute more. Do not step away from your pot. I'm having sunshine issues, so bear with me. Next, I'll add in the seasoned chicken. Stir it, raise the heat to high. I'll stir it for about 5 minutes. The heat is on high still. Once I get that color locked in and the flavors locked in, I will reduce the heat. But once you see that simmering has mellowed, there are no more sounds, you can reduce the heat to medium, and then we'll cover it and cook for about 20 to 30 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. It will release its juices and cook in those natural juices, developing even more flavor. I will stir the pot every 5 minutes to ensure that it's not sticking and to help combine the flavors. Also totally forgot I wanted to add potatoes. I'll add this in. May not cook in time, you'll see what happens. They're cut thin to help the cooking process. I also want to add a little bit of thyme, and this is from my garden. I dried it on the counter and I put it in a bottle. Reducing the heat to low. Hi Bixby, set the timer for 20 minutes please.
Timer 02 for 20 minutes, starting now.
It's been about 10 minutes. It has released the liquid. The potatoes are coming along nicely on their way to being cooked. I find that organic potatoes take a very long time to cook, so say a little prayer for me. I'm just going to cover and allow it to continue to cook. Looks delicious, doesn't it? There's 1 minute left on the timer. Taste and add salt if required. I'm adding another half teaspoon of salt. It has released a lot of liquid. I did add a little, maybe a half cup. I rinsed the bowl and added it earlier. And because it has a lot of liquid, I'm going to continue to cook it. I'll set the timer again for another 10 minutes, but I may take it down at 5 minutes. So anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes, depending on what is happening in your pot. The potatoes, mostly cooked, need another 5 minutes, I think. So I'm going to cover and continue to cook. I picked these celery leaves from the garden and I'm just going to chop it and add it to the pot for a little brightness and color and flavor. It's almost 20 minutes. As you can see, the sauce has thickened. Let me take off the timer. The sauce has thickened, the meat is fully cooked, the potatoes are tender, the salt is right, black pepper is right, and it tastes delicious. We'll give it a final taste. Very good, very delicious. Enough sauce to eat with your rice. I'm gonna go make some jasmine rice now, and then I'll go drop it off. It's only 10:20. I'll go drop it off by noon. I also want to show you what else I made. I'm going to take off the stove now. I just had breakfast, but this looks so good. I wish I could eat again. So yummy. Flavorful, simple to make. Absolutely delicious. I didn't use any technical or hard to find ingredients today. You will agree. And for those of you who don't like boneless chicken is perfect. Cooks even more quickly than bone-in chicken. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me show you what else I made to take to my friends. Stove off. It's a little messy, but can you guess what's in here? You're gonna love it. Here it is. I plan to film this recipe soon. I just made it up this morning. Tested the recipe this morning and it's absolutely delicious. Dal and dumpling soup. You could make this in 20 minutes. Perfect for those sick days or lazy days or days that demand comfort food. Cold days. We're in fall now, so this is perfect for fall, and I promise to film it. So by the time I post this curry stew video, I should already have done filming and getting ready to post the soup for you. You will definitely enjoy it. Now I'm going to make the rice. Wasting a lot of time this morning talking to you. And that's all there is to it, my sweet friends. A delicious 30-minute boneless curry stew chicken. Perfect for a quick weekday or weeknight meal with rice or roti. If you prefer bone-in chicken, just let it simmer longer. Or check out my stew chicken with potatoes or original curry stew chicken videos for more options. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay safe, be well, cook, share, and love. Bye-bye.